Good evening from a very cold Alberta, Canada. It's nighttime here, or early evening I should say, and it's temperature outside is minus 27 Celsius, pretty cold. Pretty brutal on cars. Lucky enough I got a nice heated workshop here. Anyway, I'm going to show you something that came in today. This is it. This is for the Jag, the XK8. What I'll just show you, I don't normally do unpacking, but I've already ripped this one open and I'm going to show you what I got here. So let me just adjust the camera. What do I have? Well, this should be the car cover to go on the XK8 Coupe. So I looked inside here. I've got some, looks like grommets, maybe spare ones. I wanted a dust cover for the XK8. I wanted an indoor one. I got this from carcovers.com. Thought I'd give a quick review of what this is like. It's black, which matches the car. This is material, so it's a soft cotton or a soft fabric, and it's stretchable. It's very nice. There's a lot of it here. I'll actually fit it on the car live in a second. I get round to that part. So yeah, it looks just what I was looking for. It's a soft dust cover. And it comes in a nice bag as well. So that's that part. So the next part is I'll do a fitment and see how it fits on the car. The Jag is just around here. So I'll just turn you off and I'll get back to you in a second. Okay, I hope you can hear me. So I've got the cover, and I just discovered it has a little front label on here, so we'll presume this is the front and middle of the car. Looks about right. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it over the car, spread it out as much as I can. Getting there slowly. I think I just about got it. That looks like she is on. Yes. So, okay, I'm back. There's the cat all covered up. Have a quick look around how it's fitting. I went with one without pockets for the mirrors, because I heard they can cause some problems. The fit, you can see the fabric, now it's on here. This window's open, by the way, on the driver's door. Coming on the back, have a look at the back. Fits over here pretty good. Around here, down the sides. Actually, the Jag is parked a little bit close to a Range Rover. My son moved it out a couple of days ago to bring something in here. He brought it a little bit too snug to a Range Rover. There. See, this is a workshop, and can be a busy workshop. It does get quite dusty in here. And being a black Jag, it shows up all the dust. Yes, I'm very pleased with this. That did not take long at all. Hopefully this will keep it very nice and clean. Just got some dust on it from the workbench. I may fold my mirrors in while it's in here, like this. That's better. Less chance of getting knocked and damaged. It's nice and low to the ground as well. Don't think there's anything else I can show you now. Yes, very pleased. This came from carcovers.com. Very fast shipping. I had one little niggle with them. They charged me an extra $25 to ship to Canada. I then had to pay our equivalent to what you do in the UK, what we call GST, which is Goods Service Tax. I had to pay an extra $20 when I picked it up. So I'll put a link in the description. This came, I can't remember the exact price of it. I'll put that in the description as well. So yeah, carcovers.com, fitted very nice. Exactly what I was looking for, a nice lightweight. Got out of focus. Nice light indoor car cover. I have no intention of leaving a Jag out during the winter. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to build this little channel up with a few projects I'm doing, like the Ranger over here. Thank you. Good night. Stay warm.